Hey, we just want to take a moment to show you how to use the translate tool embedded in Microsoft Edge to translate a website. So if you navigate to the settings for Edge, here on the left, you'll find language towards the bottom half. And here's where the magic happens, preferred languages. So if you don't have the language selected, you need to find your language and add it. So we'll take just a random one, that one, and we'll add it. So that's how you add it. We're going to go with Spanish. So if you click the ellipses, move to the top, and as it says right here, websites will appear in the first language in the list that they support. So that's why we want to move Spanish all the way to the top. So now we're going to hop over to another site, and we're going to refresh that site, and we should see all our different links and branches in Spanish. Right? Notice here the assignment title in Canvas stayed the same, but calificar, cero puntos, no hay fecha de entrega, all that was translated from English. So that'll work on a number of different sites. If you have any questions, reach out to your ed tech, and we'll support you from there.